This is a hands up, not a handout. Microcredit lending that doTERRA talks about here. So that's really cool to see. Hey, we go to the same barber. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the doTERRA LRP or Loyalty Rewards Program unboxing for June. And so we're going to get right into it. And so I have my scissors here, and we're just going to open this package up. Here we go. All right. Boom. This is like Christmas in a box every single month. Exciting times. Okay, here we go. So we got the bubble wrap. Woo! Woo! All right. Now that that's over with, let's see what we got. All right. So I got the V Shake. I got a couple of them because I do a lot of green smoothies, and green smoothies support your energy, digestion, and weight management goals. This is the vegan version, and so this is a good source of protein as well as fiber, and I use this every day as a part of my green smoothies. And make sure to use a recipe, and if you need more information on that, you can send me a message. But yeah, we're gonna put that off to the side here. So we have that. Maybe put it up here so you can kind of see it still. Next we have the Lifelong Vitality, the vegan version of it. So this supports your energy and digestion as well, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't have more vitality and energy after those 30 days, then you can get a full refund, making this risk-free. So the first item of this is the Microplex VMZ. So this is a vitamin and mineral supplement that helps fill in the gap from what you don't get from your foods, since our soils are so depleted, and the standard American diet is full of processed foods as well that are overly cooked. And so you can see there's a number of vitamins and minerals, as well as a proprietary whole food blend, an active enzyme blend, which is very important for breaking down foods like proteins and fats and sugars and fibers. And then there's the doTERRA Tummy Tamer blend, which has caraway, ginger, as well as peppermint. Hey, there we go. Great part of any supplement regimen, and this is part of the Three Amigos. So we'll put that right there. We'll continue here. Then we also have the Alpha CRS Plus. This is energy in a bottle, natural energy with botanicals and extracts, no caffeine, no sugar. You can see that there's the cellular longevity blend, as well as the cellular energy blend, as well as the tummy tamer blend with peppermint, ginger, and caraway again. So you can see energy and digestion are very important, and those are being focused on a lot because those are really the source of a lot of health priorities within the body, but also health solutions. All right, put that over there. Lastly, of the Three Amigos, we have the VE Omega, and this also comes in a XE Omega, but this one's just plant-based essential fatty acids, or omega-3, 6, and 9s. And so you can see there's vitamins here to help absorption. There's the omega blend. There's also a carotenoid blend. And then the CPTG essential oil blend, which stands for Certified Pure Therapeutic Grade Essential Oils of clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, and German chamomile. So that's going to support cellular health, energy, digestion, your brain, your joint, your muscle function. A lot of different areas being helped just with those 3 supplements of the Lifelong Vitality Pack. All right, so I'm going to put that over here as well. And then, what did we get here? I got some of the On Guard foaming hand wash because I was running out. And then there's a dispenser as well that I have. It's on my sink. But yeah, these are really good. And these are $1 for point, so this is really important. All right. And I'm going to cover which oils I got for free this month as well. Yeah, I got a lot of products for free this month, so we're going to cover all the ones I got for free in a second here. Okay, so we have the enzymes. Did I get one? Yeah, I got one. So this helps break down your food. You can see there's a number of digestive enzymes in here that break down proteins, carbs, fiber, sugars, fats. And then there's another tummy tamer blend of peppermint, ginger, and caraway. More digestive support. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. And then I have some PB Assist Plus. I got a couple of them. So this is the probiotics, and these support a healthy digestion and immune system as well. You can see what beneficial microorganisms are in there as well from here. This is very important to support your immune system and digestion as well. So digestion is so important. Importante. See. Okay. I also tried the deodorant here. So this is the Douglas Fir and Greek Orange Gentle Formula Essential Oil Infused Natural Deodorant. You can see the ingredients here. Basically, it's like tapioca starch, caprylic acid, it's like a coconut oil. Then there's some other awesome ingredients involving essential oils in there. So let me smell this. Probably won't be able to. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let me smell. Smells citrus and foresty at the same time. There we go. All right. Those are for the pits, so you don't get down in the pits through the rest of the smell. All right. We got some oils here. AromaTouch. Boom. As well as the balance. So balance supports your mood. This is a very grounding blend. Then we have the AromaTouch, which is the massage blend to support your muscles and joints. These are great to take to massage therapists as they work with the fractionated coconut oil that doTERRA has. Very complimentary. You can use either or. And then let's put those here. And again, I will show which ones I got for free at the end so you can see all the value I received besides the actual oils. Then we have here Summer Savory. Hey. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Yeah, this looks awesome. Actually, let's open up and smell it. Ooh, fresh. Let's see here. Ooh. Kind of reminds me of oregano. Yeah. Definitely on the savory part. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. So this is approved for internal use. Hello. Okay. Now let's see. What else we got? We got lemon oil, a must-have staple. Good for cleaning surfaces. I put this in my green smoothies, cleaning hands after public restrooms or bathroom visits. Amazing, softens them. It's a great smell. Love to use this in car diffusers too. And then, what else we got? I think this is it right here. Then we have PastTense. That's right, for head tension, for reducing stress. This is a roll-on. It's already pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil. And this is a blend that you can see has a number of different oils. So wintergreen, lavender, peppermint, frankincense, cilantro, marjoram, Roman chamomile, basil, and rosemary. PastTense. It'll help you get past your tenseness. That's right. All right, here we go. And then lastly, ooh, it's another lemon. Yeah, another lemon, because, you know, I love me some lemon. So we already talked about that one. Now, let's move things to the side. So I'm going to recycle this box, as well as these. Anything that's recyclable, I recycle. Trying to help the environment, you know what I'm saying? A little bit here and there. This is a hands up, not a handout. Microcredit lending that doTERRA talks about here. So that's really cool to see. Hey, we go to the same barber. That's one of the founders there, Robert. And then, is that it? Okay, that's it. So I'm going to recycle that, break it all down, use these for sending out samples. This is like the sticky stuff. And then let's see here. So I paid for this. This is the paid side.